Greetings all you maniacs out there, my name is Manic, and welcome back to this Gmod horror map. Now I'm running in full screen, so everything should be running a lot better. Let me spawn my weapon of choice. Oh wait a minute, what was that? Oh cool, but I'm gonna go to my honey badger. And now I'm going to spawn me some ammunition. And while I'm doing this... Fuck. You guys are like... Oh, your computer can run, CSGO? No, it can't. Not even on the lowest graphics settings. And plus, my internet is not good enough. Apparently, you need really good internet like Call of Duty. And it does not interest me, so stop suggesting it. Hey, what gives? This is supposed to take pulse ammo. Maybe the other one. Yeah, the other one. Also, I'm going to spawn my Machina, my sonic screwdriver. I don't know why I have two of these. Yeah, please don't do that. I really do like this gun. It's locked, eh? Not anymore. Hehehehe. Give me the armor! Aww. Ow. All the guns that I got are really good. Some are better than others. Simply because some of them are very inaccurate and they have like no stopping power, but this thing has a monster stopping power. And I love suppressed weapons. I love suppressed assault rifles and SMGs. This is classified as an SMG. Go away, Barnacle. There we go. Ex Machina. That's exactly what the sonic screwdriver is. Oh god! Ow. It might be a bit cheating to be using the sonic screwdriver, but some of these maps you actually do have to cheat through. I almost want to spawn myself a companion, but I'm not going to do that. Yeah. Oh, hi, creepy guy. Oh, God. Ow. Go away. Go away! And apparently the sonic screwdriver breaks wood, but that's not possible. The screwdriver does not work on wood. For whatever reason. Yeah, taste thine, honey badger. This is also one of my favorite guns in Call of Duty Ghosts. The honey badger, it's just so beast in Ghosts. It's just so good. Don't do that. Another favorite weapon that I got is a Scar. Works really well. Get away from me. Okay? No one likes that. I'm lazy. I'm just gonna nade it. Boom! You see how much better this runs? There we go. Ah. I locked it when I meant to unlock it. Damn it, wrong one. Where? Oh, hi. There we go, nice and dead. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Come the fuck on. Back up. Ow. There we go. just blast my way through if I have to. Requires a key, eh? Here's my key. Is it cheating? Yes. But do I care? No. I can also turn this to semi-auto just by pressing E and R at the same time. I actually like it better in auto. I'm just used to it. I'm used to fully automatic weapons. I don't typically use semi-autos. There we go. Yeah. Hey! Open up. Baseline screwdriver. Doody 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 doo. Take these bullets in the face. This thing, I have a more powerful weapon. It's a trick shot M16A4. It is ridiculously powerful. It's meant to be OP because it's meant for trick shooting. Now. Oh god. Don't. No. Ew. Don't throw your crabs at me. I don't want to get an STD. Get away from me. Go away, Smelly. Ow! God almighty! Help! Ow! Neurotoxin! Ow! You little son of a bitch! That hurt! Just mow him down. I did not do this map properly. I'm gonna check real quick on the other weapons that I got. Oh my god. Okay, that's strong. Yeah, no thank you. I'll stick to my honey badger. Oh, hi. Yeah. Oh, what you want? God, I'm so used to using a controller, not a mouse. Bam. Hehehe. This thing is cheating, almost. Because the Half-Life weapons, they don't do much. It is so OP, right? I actually went through this map and figured everything out. Sorry, I just wanted to do this map, just as like a walkthrough, as like. And plus, this is also showing how well my game actually runs. It runs really well. It's because I was recording in a 1280 by 720 window. And that made it lag like horrendous. But it made it easier to record. There's going to be a lot of things I need to edit out here. Like about a 2-minute startup time. But yeah. I really, really like this rifle. It works great. It looks awesome. But I can't see my player model's hands. All I see is like the default hands from the game. So shout out to Ethosaur. Great map. That map was really good. I ex-Machina my way through with the sonic screwdriver. But, you know, I guess that was going to be a given. Someone else could, like, go through it and, you know, get the gas to the generator and do everything properly. I did it the cheap way. I did it the Doctor Who with a gun way. But, please leave suggestions on maps I should download. More of these kind of maps are the combat maps where I just go through and shoot a bunch of things and solve puzzles, because I like those kind of maps. I could set my own map up in Sandbox, but that would take for freaking ever, and I don't have the time or energy to go through all that. Plus, I don't think I could do it very well. I'm not a map maker. I'm just a dude with a honey badger running through and shooting everyone. Feline honey badger. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and as always, this is Manic signing off, and I'll see all you maniacs in the next video. Really, suggest things I should play.